Good morning, boys. Okay, now let us going to solve the problems in complex numbers chapter. Maths 2A complex numbers chapters నుంచి మరి ఈ రోజు కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుందాం. So the first problem is find the equation of the straight line joining the 2 points minus 9 plus 6i, 11 minus 4i in a plane. అంటే ఒక సమతలంలో ఉన్నటువంటి రెండు బిందువులు కలిపేటటువంటి ఒక రేఖాఖండం యొక్క సమీకరణాన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి. సో సొల్యూషన్, ఫస్ట్ we take the points a is equal to minus 9 comma 6 and b is equal to 11 comma minus 4. These are the given 2 points. In previous classes we know the formula of the straight line passing through 2 points x1 y1, a line passing through the 2 points x1 y1 x2 y2 is y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to x minus x1 into y2 minus y1. This is the general formula of a line passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to x into x minus x1 x minus x1 into y2 minus y1. So the given 2 points here x1 is equal to minus 9, y1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to 11 and y2 is equal to minus 4. So substitute values in the above equation. So y minus or minus 4 into x2 11 minus of minus 9 is equal to x minus of minus 9 into y2 minus 4 minus 6. So simplify these values. Y minus or minus plus 4 into 11 plus 9 is equal to x minus into minus plus 9 into minus 10. Y plus 4 into 11 plus 9 10 is equal to x plus 9 into minus 10. Both sides 10 is cancelled. Y plus 4 is equal to minus of x minus 9. So y plus 4 is equal to minus x minus or minus plus 9. So x plus y plus 4 minus 9 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the required. Therefore, this is the required equation of straight line. So next, another problem using these equations. So first we write the problem. This is the most important problem in IPE examinations. Show that, simply denoted as ST. Show that the points in the organ plane represented by the complex numbers 2 plus 2i minus 2 minus 2 minus 2i minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 are the vertices of A. Equilateral triangle. So in Telugu oka ఆర్గాన్ ప్లేన్ లో ఒక 3 బిందువులు ఇవ్వబడ్డాయి. ఈ 3 బిందువులు గుండా పోయేటటువంటి త్రిభుజం యొక్క శేషాలు ఇవ్వబడ్డాయి. ఇది ఏర్పడేటువంటి త్రిభుజం మనం ఈక్విలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ మీన్స్ సమబాహు త్రిభుజము. సమబాహు త్రిభుజం శేషాలు అవుతాయని చెప్పి మనం చూపించాలి. సో ప్రాపర్టీ ఆఫ్ ద ఈక్విలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ is 3 sides are equal and then 3 angles are also equal. So name of this triangle is ABC. So we prove AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Solution. We take the points A is equal to 2, 2, B is equal to minus 2, minus 2, C is equal to minus 2 root 3, 2 root 3. These are the 3 given points. Now we prove AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So just remember the distance between 2 points in previous classes. Distance between 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Distance between the 2 points AB is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So this formula used in this problem. So we solve the problem. So first we find the value of AB. AB is equal to square root of here AB x1 y1 and x2 y2. So 2 minus of 2 whole square plus y1 2 minus of minus 2 whole square is equal to square root of 2 plus 2 whole square plus 2 plus 2 whole square is root of 32. Next we find the value distance between BC. Square root of x2 x1 minus 2 minus of minus 2 root 3 whole square plus minus 2 minus 2 root 3 whole square is equal to square root of minus 2 minus of minus plus 2 root 3 whole square plus here these two values having common sign minus common is 2 plus 2 root 3 whole square. So here using two algebraic formulas a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square and a square plus 2ab plus b square. So the first part a minus b whole square. So here a is equal to 2 root 3 whole square minus 2ab 2 into 2 into 2 8 root 3 plus b square. So minus 2 whole square. Second part minus is the common factor. Minus whole square means minus into minus is plus. So here this part is a plus b whole square. Here a is equal to 2 square plus 2ab 2 into 2 into 2 plus 8 root 3 plus b square 2 root 3 whole square. Square root of 2 root 3 whole square means 2 square into root 3 whole square. So 2 square is equal to 4, root 3 whole square is equal to 3. So 4 into 3 minus 8 root 3 plus 2 square value 4 plus 2 square value 4 plus 8 root 3 plus 2 root 3 whole square 4 into 3 is equal to square root of 12 minus 8 root 3 plus 4 plus 4 8 root 3 plus 12. So minus 8 root 3 and plus 8 root 3 are cancelled. So simplify the remaining values. 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 12 32. So BC is 32. Square root of 32. So next we find the value of distance between CA. Square root of 2 minus of minus 2 root 3 whole square plus 2 plus 2 root 3 whole square. So using the above system means BC value 2 minus a minus plus 2 root 3 whole square plus 2 minus 2 root 3 whole square is equal to using a plus b and a minus b formulas. So 4 plus 8 root 3 plus 12 plus 4 minus 8 root 3 plus 12. Cancellation of minus 8 root 3 and plus 8 root 3. Simplify the remaining values. BC is equal to square root of 4 plus 12, 16, 16, 20, 20 plus 12, 32. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. This triangle is called as equilateral triangle. Therefore, A, B, C are the vertices of equilateral triangle.